Shokz is a popular brand for open-ear workout headphones, using bone conduction technology to deliver sound through the cheekbone. Their products, like the Shokz OpenRun Pro, allow users to listen to music, podcasts, or calls while staying connected. However, these headphones can sound dull and tinny compared to traditional sealed headphones. The new Shokz OpenFit headphones, $180, use air conduction technology, a tiny directional speaker, to provide sound on par with traditional headphones without sealing up the ears, resulting in better sound quality. OpenFit Open-Ear True Wireless Earbud Specs. Ear cushion core is engineered with a dual-layered liquid silicone that gives a pliable fit for every ear shape. 18 by 11 mm customized dynamic driver unit that is built with an ultralight composite diaphragm comprised of two parts. The inner dome-shaped cap is made of a high-strength, ultralight carbon fiber. OpenFit Open-Ear. True Wireless has Bluetooth 5.2. Battery life 7 hours of listening time on a single charge and 3 extra charges in charging case. Charge time. Charge the earbuds with the charging case 60 minutes. Empty case with charging cable 120 minutes. Quick charge 5 minutes charging provides an hour of listening time. Weight 8.3 grams per earbud. Charging case weighs 57 grams. IP rating IP54 water resistant. Charging case is not waterproof. AI call noise cancellation technology to ensure call quality. Touch controls. Use the Shokz app to select your favorite EQ modes and button functions. A VI label in beige and black for $180 at Shokz.com and Amazon. Overall, the OpenFit are perfect for running and other sports, but they are also very good as an everyday set of headphones if you want to be able to naturally hear your surroundings whilst you're listening to your music or anything else.